Are you looking for the best earwax removal? In this video we are looking 6 best earwax removal. In this review, we'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 6. Earwax Removal. Earwax Remover Tool with 8 PCS Ear Set, Ear Canal Cleaner with 1080p camera, FSA HSA eligible, Ear Cleaning Kit with 6 ear spoon, Ear Camera for iOS and Android. Irrelevant Attribute. 1080p HD Ear Camera. The Earwax Removal Kit is equipped with 6 LED lights and a 1080p HD camera to help you see and clean earwax effectively. When in use, the Earwax Removal camera's temperature is close to human body temperature. Suitable for adults, check teeth, nose, throat, scalp root, and other body parts. HSA FSA eligible items only. 3 kinds of radiant ear scoop. Use a silicone ear scoop cover over the ear scoop to prevent scratching the ear canal. You can choose the curvature of the ear scoop that suits you. Before use, please pay attention to tightly fit the silicone ear scoop on the ear scoop. Easy to use, the ear cleaner has a built-in 350 mAh rechargeable battery, which can be used for 90 minutes after being fully charged, and the standby time can be up to 30 days. IP67 waterproof otoscope, ear spoon, and lens can be washed with water or wiped with alcohol cotton after use. Please do not put the whole otoscope in water. Support Android and iOS devices. Scan the QR code to download the app, press and hold the switch button to turn it on, and connect the earwax camera through the device's Wi-Fi to start using. The photos and videos taken by the device will be stored in the app album. If you want to save them in your phone album, please allow the app to access your album. Number 5. Earwax Removal Tool Camera. Ear Cleaner with Camera, 1080p HD Ear Camera and 6 LED light, Earwax Removal Kit with 6 ear pick, 6 PCS ear set, ear camera wax removal for iOS and Android. 1080p HD ear camera and low latency vision. The Earwax Removal Tool Camera has 1080p HD camera and 6 adjustable brightness lights, enabling you to explore and magnify every corner of the ear canal. 20 frames per second low latency vision helps you clean ears safely and efficiently. Be fit for children, adults, pets, checking throat, teeth, nose and other parts of body health also. High battery capacity and durable and portable. With a built-in 350 mAh rechargeable battery, the Earwax Removal Kit with camera keeps 90 minutes of use after fully charged. Over 100 plus cycles charging makes the otoscope with light more durable. 2.4 ounces and 5.78 by 0.55 by 0.55 inches make you carry it easily and handily. IP67 waterproof otoscope, lens, ear spoon are easy to clean by just wiped or rinsed, but do not put the whole ear camera into water please. Easy to connect and use by Smart Visible app. The Wi-Fi connection to the ear cleaner with camera is easy. The ear cleaning kit is compatible with iOS and Android system, supporting you to see real-time images, take pictures, and record video for tracking your ear health. Be able to adjust the light brightness more suitable for you by the app. Number 4. Earwax Removal. Electric Ear Cleaning Kit with Light, FSA HSA eligible, Ear Irrigation Kit with 4 pressure modes, Safe and Effective Ear Flush Kit with Ear Cleaner, includes basin, towel and 15 tips. Irrelevant Attribute. Convenient and effective, the ear cleaning system has 4 different cleaning modes, normal, soft, pulse, power, to meet your different needs. 5 LED lights illuminate the ear canal, and the transparent baffle prevents water splashes. Easily remove accumulated earwax from the comfort of your own home. Friendly design, the ergonomic handle of the ear lavage kit starts/stops the water flow by simply pressing the index finger. Please take care to avoid direct contact of the water flow with the eardrum. The 500 ml water bottle and gravity ball straw that moves with the liquid allow you to clean your ears from any angle. Silicone ear tips, the ear wash kit comes with 2 kinds of soft ear tips, which can be easily replaced to avoid infection caused by different people's use. The 5-hole earbuds are divided into 5 shower-like streams to clean the entire ear canal with a gentler flush. The single-hole earplugs have more concentrated water flow and better cleaning effect. Number 3. BEBIRD R1 Wax Removal Tool for Ear. Spade Ear Canal Cleaner with Camera 1080p Earscope. wax remove ear picker with very replacement tips, camera with 6 LED light for ear nose throat examination. Wide angle and 1080p HD camera. BEBIRD R1 ear scope has a 3 million pixels high precision lens with a wide angle view, 6 LED lights, and 1080p high resolution, enabling you to see every corner of the ear canal. Intelligent visible BEBIRD app. Wi-Fi directly connects the ear scope device and the BEBIRD application. Ear care cleaning you can see on your phone screen, supports taking pictures and recording videos, and features a real-time view via 20 frames per second rate transferring between the ear scope and the phones/tablets whether iOS or Android. Examine and removal ear dirt kits. BEBIRD R1 device is an ear examination tool with a camera to look and check the inside of your ear canal, paired with multiple replacement tip to clean out your ears whether it's oily or dry. Patented and multi-use tool, not just for the ear canal, but also the borescopes for your nose, teeth, and throat. Using the 3 observation kits, ear canal observation plus nose speculum plus tongue depressor, will be helpful for checking the ear canal, nasal cavity, and oral cavity. Patent No. D972-900S and D974-856S. Number 2. Loyker X6 Ear Wax Removal Tool Camera. Ear cleaner with camera, FSA HSA store eligible, 1080p ear camera with 6 LED light for ear nose throat tonsil stone examination, black. Irrelevant attribute. Made in USA or imported. Irrelevant attribute. 3-arc ear pick, 2 each. Loyker ear cleaner adjusts the curvature of the ear scoop to suit the width of the ear canal of different people. The snug-fitting silicone ear spoon cover is soft and elastic, soft and gently digs the ear, and easily removes earwax. Ideal for ASMR. 1080p HD 360 degrees view. Otoscope with light has 360 degrees wide-angle lens and 6 thermostatic LED systems to help you illuminate your ear canal and capture high-definition pictures and videos in real time with a large field of view and no dead space. High-speed operation, intelligent 6-axis gyroscope stabilizes images for smooth transmission, captures HD pictures and videos in real time, and cleans the ear precisely without damaging the ear canal. ASMR tools. IP67 waterproof lens. The earwax removal kit is easy to clean with water or wipe with alcohol cotton after use. We have increased the air tightness of the lens to avoid the problem of the blurred lens after cleaning. Number 1. UNIWA Ear Wax Removal, electric ear cleaner with reusable replacement tips, for pressure settings, safe and effective ear rinsing kit for adults, ear irrigation kit and USB-C cable, IPX7. Safe and effective ear wax removal. UNIWA Power Water Ear Cleaner is a safe, effective, and gentle way to clean your ears. Compared with manual ear cleaners, the earwax remover kit has a smart control system that can provide stable and safe water pressure. You can clean earwax more safely and gently to ensure ear safety. For water pressure modes and high-capacity battery, our ear cleaning kit offers 4 different cleaning modes: normal, gentle, pulse and strong, so you can find the intensity that works best for you. Tip: when using for the first time, it is ideal to start with the lowest level first. Supplied with a Type-C data cable and 2000 mAh battery, the earwax remover kit is quick and easy to use, helping to keep you and your family's ears clean and healthy. Sufficient cleaning and replaceable ear tips. The earwax removal tool has different soft ear tips that can be easily replaced to avoid infections caused by different users. We prioritize your safety and comfort, which is why our ear cleaner water flush has an improved flared design to protect your eardrum. The earwax removal water flush comes with 600 ml clean water tank and 600 ml dirty water tank. The super large capacity allows you to clean your ears without worrying about water interruptions or changing water. And you can completely clean your ears. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.